So you're a beginner to UGC and you want to know how to land your very first deal. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact process of how you can, and I'm a beginner myself as well. And for those of you who are new to UGC, UGC is specifically called user-generated content, and essentially brands will pay you to make content for them, and either they'll post it or you'll post it yourself on a dedicated Instagram and TikTok account that you will make. And so I'm going to show you the entire process and how you can get started today. I just started UGC and I landed my very first deal. So in this video, I'm going to show you the app that you can land your first deal with, which is SideShift. And then I'll walk you through how to use this app to land your very first deal, and also with building your very first UGC portfolio, because that's also another important way to stand out. So let's go through SideShift and how you can get started. So first thing, obviously, you want to click join now and make an account. And on your profile, you want to put anything and everything that you can put about yourself. So for myself, I link my Instagram, my TikTok, my LinkedIn, and my portfolio. And also to link your portfolio, you have to use your phone. So make sure to download the SideShift app on your phone as well. And then you want to fill out everything about yourself, your experiences with different jobs, and then you want to link your top 3 posts that you have made on social media. I'm pretty sure this isn't a requirement, but if you have any social media experiences, even if you have posted a few videos that have gotten only a couple thousand views, make sure you link them. But as you can see, my very top post in my social media career is at 27 million views, and this is when I posted in 2020. And then my second highest post was from 2022 when I posted DoorDash content. And then of course you want to link your skills and interests. So for myself, I just put clipping, video editing, and content creation because that's what I do for a living. So as I said, you want to link your portfolio, and you can link this from your phone. So I want to show you guys just a basic portfolio that I made for myself using Canva. And so use this same format. And so I put my name, a picture of myself, location, email. For me, I put video editor, clipper, UGC, content creator, stuff like that. And then on the second slide, you want to do an about me section with your social media experience. And of course, for myself, I have a ton of experience with social media as I've been posting since 2020. So of course, I can tailor that towards the about me section. Now, if you're new to social media, just give a basic rundown of yourself and with starting your journey. And then for the third slide, you want to do personal brand wins. So if you have any videos that have done well, even if it's in the 10K view range, you want to link that right here. And then you just want to talk about exactly what you've done in your social media career, even if you've started this year. Again, I'm a beginner when it comes to UGC, but when it comes to personal brand content, I'm not a beginner with. So just keep that in mind, but literally link any video you can think of that you've had, and then put screenshots of the amount of views you have generated. And then for the fourth slide, I put video editing and clipping wins. That's what I do for my main source of income, is video editing for client social media videos. So I want to tailor that towards my portfolio right here. So that's what I've done with these 4 videos. And so I'm linking my best wins right here. And if you're a beginner, most likely you're not going to have this experience with having client work like this. So just link your personal brand wins if you have that, because you at least want to try to tailor something to your UGC portfolio. And then of course, on your last slide, something basic like let's work together, put your email or your social media @. And so now we're back on SideShift, and there are different general tabs over here: job feed, applications, analytics. So let's go to job feed, and this is where you are going to find a ton of different brands you can apply to. And if you want, you can sort by pay from low to high, high to low. And if you want a specific type of gig, you can do remote, local. You can just have it on the all gigs section. And then you want to scroll through and see what brands line up with what you're passionate about and what you like creating. For example, right here, Claimed Hero Creator, they are paying $400 a month. So let's click apply and see what all this is about. So Claimed Hero is hiring new creators for short form videos for TikTok and Reels. And so that's basically what you can go through on this entire section right here. And there really are a lot of options. And this is exactly how I landed my first deal, which is actually with Yapper.so. In this company, I'm really passionate about AI content. So it lined up perfectly with what I want to do, because again, as a UGC creator, I'm a beginner, and personally for me, I want to be passionate about content I'm creating for these brands. And so that's what I did with Yapper. It lined up with what I want to create. And with this brand, they are paying $30 per video, and then they are paying bonuses as well at least 5 minimum videos weekly. So that comes out to $150 a week or $600 a month. And that's some extra side cash with doing UGC. For me, I'm not looking into this as a part-time thing, but just as a side hustle and I wanted to share this with you all. And with this deal, I'm posting on Instagram and TikTok. Some brands will have different rules if they want to add in YouTube Shorts to that as well. But that's really it. You want to just make a good portfolio and then start applying for as many jobs as you want that you're passionate about, and then eventually you will get messages back in the SideShift app. So with Yapper, as you can see here at the top, you'll get a message back. It says, "Hey Ethan, thanks for applying. I think you'd be a great fit for this role and would love to chat. Pick a time you would like to talk, and then make sure to look over this creator brief that they sent over." And so that's exactly what I did. I went over the content brief. I made sure I'm actually interested in this, and I really am. And then I filled out a time for their Calendly link, and I got on a call with one of the owners of Yapper, and it all worked out. After the call, Yapper sent me the contract over within SideShift, and then you're all good to go after that, and then you can start creating content. And what I really like about SideShift is it will have your analytics combined with your usernames that you create, and I really like this feature. It shows you the amount of views, engagement, so I'm really interested to see how many views I can generate after a month. And my goal here is 5 videos minimum weekly. Again, that's the requirement. It could go up to 14 videos weekly, but I'm not sure if I have the bandwidth for that, so at least for now, I'm going to keep it at 5 videos a week. But this is my UGC journey. I really hope you all found value in this video, and trust me when I say this, SideShift probably is going to be the best option for you to land your first UGC deal, or another option if you're a beginner or if you're just trying to figure out a way to land more deals. A buddy of mine does UGC, and he actually made his own Discord server, and I'm gonna have it linked down below, and a ton of different jobs get linked in there. So when you're in the UGC revenue room, go to the job post section, and you are going to see a lot of different job posts that people get, and they put them in here. It's really a lot of free value, and it's easy way for you to land some extra deals. So if you're interested in a really cool UGC Discord server, I will make sure to have a link down below. Make sure to join that. And I also have my own personal Discord server, so if you have any questions regarding UGC or learning more about it, I'd love to help out as much as I can. And I just wanted to say we are so close to 14,000 subscribers, so I would really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate all of you for joining the journey, because I'm trying to make money online, show you guys how you can as well. And I post a lot of different content across my channel, especially with TikTok clipping, which is a great way to make more money on the side online. So yeah, make sure you go look across my channel for more tips with making money online. And I really appreciate you all watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.